bottle that league on top of this qualification table. Mark my word, you heard it here. You will bottle that lead. You will struggle in second place to qualify from this same group.
Amen.
He will beat you in Bloemfontein. How did Antonio Conte say it? This is the story. This is the history of the Tottenham. How do Chelsea fans say it?
Hey God,
I love it when they underrate us.
I
love it when nobody gives us a chance. In the words of Pastor Christo Yakelomi, keep saying it, keep moving it, keep repeating it. I love it when even fellow Nigerians say, these boys cannot do it. They don't burn them well. If you look behind my friend, look behind this man, a group of legends are holding a trophy that South Africa have not held since 1996. They lifted that trophy in 2013 in South Africa. We won our last AFCON.
Now where the fight
This
start?
is a country that brings things and then Nigeria refines, improves, and globalizes. You cannot originate Amapiano and then the most popular or top 3 most popular Amapiano song, Asake song, a Nigerian song called Amapiano is more popular than you that produced Amapiano.
And I'm gonna just say it: the amount of you dirty whores that jumped on the internet and championed and saluted and applauded.
You can feel the anticipation in the air, and
I'm a piano. No.
Are laughing. You, South African, you are laughing. You have achieved something today, Abi. Your greatest ever type of result against Super Eagles. Draw at home. See you laughing, celebrating. Wallahi, you will bottle that lead on top of this qualification stage. I said it before and I repeat myself again. See you G3 at home with your stupid ass rugby stadium. Empty stadium. Bafana is playing. Stick to the Springboks. Bafana cannot fill that stadium. And you're topping the qualification phase in this group. And we in 4th, I'll be 5th. Over 35,000 people still came out to watch the Super Eagles. And you raise your shoulder with your one AFCON. Parkinson, arthritis, or you're shaking on the job, on the jitter. At home, you're playing delay tactics from 16 minutes. You're playing delay tactics. Your captain is rolling on the floor. They are form as a national team. Oh yeah, where is it? You're struggling. You with your pitch with mountains and hills. Ball bouncing all over the place. We both play on no problem. I will never use it as an excuse. Even the referee was this, was that. Ademola Lookman handle that ball in the 92nd or 93rd minute. Did he handle that ball? The throw-in and all those other reckless, stupid calls that that incompetent referee was doing. When we talk about it, we scored a very dubious goal, yes. But the referee was incompetent for you. He was incompetent for me. Don't come and use that referee as an excuse here.
When I was the person I was scared of, I didn't know that there's a guy who was calling Bombo Kalazi. Bombo Kalazi turned Lookman into Look Girl yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm talking to you right now, if you go in South Africa, inside the pocket of Bombo Kalazi, you will find Look Girl inside. I even learned yesterday that this idiot is 19 years old. 19-year-old guy. 19-year-old pocketed the current best African football player. Yeah, his name Bombo Kalazi. Some people are telling me, no, don't call him Bombo Kalazi, call him TLB. Why should I call him TLB? Why? Why should I call him TLB? His name is Bombo Kalazi. That's how I'm going to address on him. By the way, Bombo Kalazi, Fusak! Idiot!
Based on the stats where we get and everything, they play the ball from back. At that point, it was 80 something minutes, whether 88 minutes. They can't see at 7 minutes. These boys are not pressing. These boys are not pressing. Moses Simon, you know, if he take on that defender, that they are right back today, like 3 times. I they expect you see football don't go, football don't finish. I they expect you as a coach switch their wing. Nobody say you go switch and go left wing, go something. But him and Ademola Lookman is very creative. He can do anything, can beat anybody. Push and go that left wing at some point, then move and back again. Confuse the right back. Make them feel uncomfortable. No, they make them look like say, okay, now only Moses Simon go to face all the time. We need to win our match. We need to win. Look at us now. Look at us now. A point, Abi. Where are we going with this 1 point now? Who this 1 point we have? Gabon there with 18 points. They're in second. Kivet, now the top Cameroon. Kivet. If you see people who land
saying Nigeria will win them, we were talking because of the pedigree and the squad we have. We get the team, we get everything to beat them. We even get more fuller stadiums than them. If this match was played in Uyo, I promise you that our stadiums will be full, overflow everywhere, down to the streaming, everything will be packed. We get a more better pitch, we will not suffer them. But now we went through hell, and the only satisfaction after going through hell is you going to heaven. We played in one of the worst pitch. You had pitches in Johannesburg and other good places, but you didn't use them. You decided to use a rugby stadium that had been played by kids. That stadium is where your national team should be playing. Even your coach had to comment that that stadium is bad. That is not enough reason. But instead, you said no. You are make you disadvantaged, make you pain those people, make you pain the visitors. The home
on 3 occasions that the ball was dead for 5 minutes or more. And then all these things put together at the end of the game, you're at 7 minutes. It will not be like an excuse, but let it be wholesome. Make it be say we lose on merit.
Our goal was illegal. Our goal was illegal.
I know.
Yes, so checks and balances, yeah and there.
That one are VR. I'm talking of the in-game official, the man with the ref the game.
Some refs go see that handball.
Yes. You know, see, I'm fine.
So the one where it's the council too.
So
it's no excuse for Ademola Lookman missing that chance. It's no excuse for the starting lineup now.
I'm coming to the players and the coach.
So you make your luck, bro. You make your luck. We benefited of the incompetency of the ref too.
How?
Our goal.
The ref no go fit see that kind of thing. Naviaro.
Look at you.
Hating on these boys. What is my business? So when I kept shouting, even yesterday, don't play William Troost Ekong. You're making it seem as if I hate him. Why will I hate him? What has he done to me? Benjamin Fredericks and Calvin Bassey in center back, Bruno left back, and Ola unfortunately who had an injury. There is no way South Africa is penetrating that defense. Because Bassey doesn't have the pace to play from the wings. That is why that ball that was lobbed over Bassey, he could not catch up with the guy. And then Ekong did his magic. See, Fredericks was playing for 2 people until Ekong was subbed. You're telling me that Ekong was MVP Nations Cup? Bro, that was 2 years ago. A month is enough for a player to either peak or dip in form. Ekong had no business starting this game today. He had no business playing unless we were like 2 goals up. We were like 2 goals up. It is all on Eric Shell. It is all on Eric.
Fusek! Fuseki! South Africa, Fuseki! Fusek! You guys have any qualifications for FIFA World Cup? What is your problem? This is pure wickedness. You guys are just wicked pap Republicans. Your heart is full of pap. Wicked after Satan is you people. Why couldn't you people just allow Nigeria to beat you people? We have unbeaten streak. We have winning streak. We are unbeaten. We cannot rustle. Well, if you rustle to your fellow African brothers, what happened for South Africa? What happened? Again, for sake! Wicked people. Nigeria, bye-bye. You people are out of the World Cup.
Nigeria is not going to the World Cup. I told you. I came here and said this after we won against Rwanda, so that it not be as if we lost. I said it and I said, I'm not patriotic. I don't love Nigeria. You will see facts and you will be lying to Nigeria. You know me well. You know there are two nations in Africa that I love to banter and I like to look for their trouble. And they like to come for me too. It's Ghana and South Africa second. I begged you. I put my neck on the line. Nigerians are about to make me run mad with all the excuses, no accountability. When people just agree that this is one of the worst sets, if not the worst me I've seen in my life of Super Eagles squad. What have they achieved? All the superstardom, everything, all the names. Yes, on paper we are better every time. Yes. What have we achieved with them? What have we done? A full decade will soon finish, 2010 to 2030. No World Cup possibly. To have missed two, one to go. I've seen people coming to tell me excuse. Where is this? Where are the standards? Where is the dignity? Where is the pride? Where is the shame? Shame. If you have shame, you will not even come outside and try and say South Africa cheated or this one. You blame CAF, blame this one, blame that. You will never look at yourselves. No introspection, no accountability, nothing. South Africa, congratulations. Congrats. You deserve this. You have played 8 games with us. You have 17 points. Nobody will say you don't deserve this. We have played home and away. 1 point, Nigerians are doing we are better than all the players, all the teams in Agri. It's not just Lesotho, it's not just Rwanda. 11 points out of 8 games. You have mind to come and tell me this rubbish. 48 teams are going to the World Cup. 9 teams from Africa, potentially 10. And the massive probability is that you are not going there. You have the gods to come outside today. No vex me.
Sanbonani, Dumelangi, Absheni, back again, back with another video. As your usual host, Perfect Kama Usabelo, Umfanaga Mjoli. And yes, I had to do it. First and foremost, congratulations to Hugo Boss and the boys. Yes, only one win. But let's talk about it, Perfect. Tuesday night, 8 o'clock. No, it wasn't 8 o'clock. 6 o'clock in mean. 1-1 it finished. And you know, I made this video because Mfunani Mamele is smack eskulma Nigerians, Perfect. These guys were talking smack for the past 3 days leading up to the match. After they beat Rwanda, they were so confident that they want to come to South Africa and take all 3 points. Let me tell you something, Nigeria. This is a new Bafana. Yes, you've beaten us previous 2 tournaments, but you've beaten us not easy. Last tournament, AFCON. You beat us on penalties. We had you on ropes. Let's be honest, we had you on ropes. You beat us on penalties. Cool. No stress. We didn't cry about it. We didn't make any excuses about the referee. We didn't make any excuses about the players, the coach. We were like, you know what? Nigeria were the better team. They were the better team. 2019. What happened? You beat us once again. 2-1. And guess who scored the winner? Ikong. Toast Ikong. That nigga scored the winner that day, 2019 AFCON. But in Zizochigizinto Tula Mama. Toast Ikong scored the goal that literally killed Nigeria off. An own goal. OG. No, you are not an OG, Wafit. He's not an OG, Trusty Kong. You are an own gold merchant. Isitayile sakho umsangano nje wena ukora my own gold. That's what you are good at, Trusty Kong. No, bafethu. Nigeria, you are down there, down. You gotta let it down, baby. You gotta let it down. Hey, bafethu. Nigeria, you feel it. What I saw on Tuesday, that was not in Nigeria, bafethu. That was not in Nigeria. That was Niger, not Nigeria. Niger. Hey, these Nigerians were talking smack, bafethu. How they were gonna beat us, how they won AFCON in South Africa, how the coaches, hey, our coaches is better, our players are better, we've got world-class players, our players are playing in Europe, hey, the pitch, the pitch is bumpy, we cannot play. Yo, listen, let me tell you something, this is African football, this is not European football. I remember years ago, we've been playing in bumpy pitches, fucked up pitches, artificial pitches, and no one made a fuss about it. But you Nigerians, you're complaining because you were playing on a rugby stadium. You're calling us some Springboks. Hey, Joel. Nisibiza ama genocide. Nitukune genocide la. Yeah? No, man, no. Take it and leave it, blood. The only way Nigeria are gonna qualify for a World Cup, it's either you finish second. After finishing second, you have to play all of the best number 2s in Africa. When you've done that, you have to go to Amanyama qualifier and play other countries from different continents. Basically, if you finish second, Nigeria, which I hope you don't finish second, I hope you finish third, you're going to play almost 6-7 games for you to qualify for a World Cup. Yeah, la want to bahluleka noma by expandile World Cup. By expandile World Cup, they gave Africa 9 slots. 10 if you include the winners. If lava bafike baqede number 2 and beat everyone else, it's gonna be 10. But nihluleka noma kuyi 9 slots. Nigeria are in the mud, bafethu. Nigerians, and I'm talking to all of you Nigerians. Lawa nihlala South Africa, lawa nihlala in Nigeria, lawa nihlala Ghana, lawa nihlala UK. If niyangizwa, anikho mnandi. But zizochika izinto thola mama. Hey, ngithi amapiano no originateile nijwala abantu. Everything you take Nigerians. You take. You claim amapiano. You claim you are the best in Africa. You claim you've got the best players in Africa. Lookman was locked down by guess who? TLB. If you don't know TLB, now you know him. Lookman, you were locked up by TLB. Locked up by a 19-year-old. Africa's best player was locked up by an Orlando Pirates player. Deep that. So guys, I made a video. I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed it. I watched it and I said, watch these clips. And please, don't forget guys, please subscribe to your boy. Please subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. Whatever you gotta say, bring it on. I'm out, bafethu. Ngizonibona Saturday ibhakani livukile. MTN 8 final, bafethu. Sizonibona lapho. We are out.